Hello friends. Today we will go through some of the feature of manufacturing module that in ERPNext software that can ease your production process from planning to execution. For understanding the process flow, let us try to prepare a cup of tea using these items, which are tea powder, water, milk and sugar. These items with their corresponding purchase quantities and prices are listed on screen. In ERPNext we need to feed same information so we can also derive the cost of preparing our finished good, that is a cup of tea. As we log into the system, we can view our items and finished goods in item master form listed in stock module. So click on it. As you can see, I have already added the finished good, cup of tea and other items, milk, water, sugar and tea powder in the item master. Let's have a look at it. We added tea as product with unit of measurement as a cup and also clicked on maintain stock level so we can view a small dashboard of all stocks in different warehouses. Similarly, we added other items with valuation rate, that is their purchase price or total cost of procuring that item. 1 liter of milk is available for ₹65. Another important step is to enter bill of material in the system. Our bill of material will look somewhat like this. Here, we have listed exact amount of each item required to produce 1 unit of finished good. Also, our finished product will be required to go through 3 stages of operation, that is heating, mixing and serving. So, we will require these items at different stages of operation. Like for first operation of heating, we will need tea powder and water. For mixing, we will require milk. And for serving, we will need sugar. All this information must be fed into the system one time only. So let's have a look at it. On main screen, click Manufacturing. Here one see all related forms like Item, Bill of Material, Workstation, Operation. In Workstation, we listed these 3 which will be required for our process. In Operation, we listed our previously discussed stages of operation. For routing, we entered a process called tea preparation. Here, we will completely define our process by mentioning each operation at which particular workstation will be processed, how much time will be required, and what will be the cost of this operation. With all this data, we can prepare a bill of material, where we will mention finished good per unit quantity of production. As we will require material at different stages, we selected material transfer against job card. Rate of material will be based on valuation rate that we entered in item master against each item. For each operation, we mentioned the cost that will be incurred. In each material, we mentioned exact amount required to produce 1 unit of finished good. And system will derive its cost from valuation rate. Also, for each material we linked at which operation it will be required to be transferred for production. All this information need to be fed to system one time only for each finished good. Now, let us start with our production process and complete one full transaction in the system. We will consider made-to-order process as it will also cover made-to-stock type of manufacturing. So let us prepare one sales order and put a requirement of 5 cups of tea. We will mention customer name, date of delivery, PO number, product, quantity, rate, taxes, and payment term. After preparing sales order, let us prepare a production plan. We have option to prepare production plan either based on sales order for made to order or with material request for made to stock. We have option to populate sales order based on item or customer And also we can select sales order created within specified period by selecting from and to date. We will select customer name and system will pull all the sales order prepared for this particular customer. As we are considering only sales order, we will delete rest. Click to get items for work order. Then click on Get Material for Production to explode the bill of material. Here, system will show required quantities of each item for production of complete 5 cups of tea as in sales order. Also, it will show quantities available in stock. If any specific item is not available in stock, then system can provide option to prepare purchase request from here for that item with required quantities. Save and confirm this production plan. In same form, one can view work order already created in dashboard. Click on it. As this work order is in draft format, we can change any details if required. Check rest of the details and confirm. System will prepare 3 job cards based for operations as listed in bill of material. These job cards can be accessed from same form by clicking this link. Here we can view only related job cards like heating, mixing, and serving. For each job card, one need to click Start to begin the particular production process. System will automatically record date time when start was clicked. The raw material required in this process is also listed. So, one need to transfer this material from central store to work in progress to use this material for production. Click on Material Transfer. Select Material Transfer for manufacturing. If inspection required, then click on it and set parameter for quality control. In items list, put actual quantity that is transferred for manufacturing. Click Submit and confirm this material transfer. The status will change to completed with green color code. In work order, we can track entire production. We can see required and transferred quantity of tea powder and water. The second stage of operation is mixing, where milk will be added to the process. So let us make material transfer for it. Start the job. An employee can also be added to the process who will be performing a particular operation, so that his cost can be apportioned on total cost of finished good. Submit to complete this process. Similarly, we will complete last process, that is serving. Once all jobs completed, we can complete the entire work order. Click Finish and mention quantities produced during the entire process. Click on Create to make a stock entry for finished good. In our case, it is 5 cups of tea. One can view entire operating cost. Click Save and Submit. Let's check the item master finished good. One can view that the finished goods warehouse is updated with 5. That completes the entire production process. These are all reports available, and one can create own report with Report Builder tool. For further analysis, required charts and graphs can be plotted based on real-time data. We covered very simple production process. In case you have any queries, then please contact us. Thank you.